I'll take the example of butene. So if you pay attention, there are two possible structures. So one structure is this CH3, H2, 1H, 1H, and 1H. So this is the first possibility. And the
Okay.
second possibility is this. So CH2, CH3, CH3, H, H.
Okay.
So this is the second possibility. Like the double bond can be on the carbon number 1, like as in the first case. And in the second case, the double bond is on the carbon number 2. So
Wait,
there are
don't you have
two.
to draw all the hydrogens separately?
That's your wish.
Okay. Because
So
I know in school we have to, so.
no, I have just drawn the condensed formula. It is easier for me. Like every time drawing all the bonds showing, it's all like a already understood. You know this now. So
Okay.
I drawn it in the condensed form.
Okay.
So there are many forms to represent it. Like the way I have represented is known as condensed form.
Okay.
Okay. So now there are two possibilities, the number 1 possibility and number 2 possibility. So both are butene, but what is the difference? So one is but 1-ene and the other one is but 2-ene.
Well, what's the
Here,
difference?
I'll tell you. Here in the but 1-ene, what is there? The double bond is on the carbon number 1. So name it 1, 2, 3, 4. So the carbon 1 has a double bond. So the name is but 1-ene. So here in the second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon 2 has double bond. So but 2-ene. So they are two
Okay.
different structures. Okay.
All
So
right.
these are known as isomers. Isomers. What do you mean
Okay.
by isomers? Isomers. So what do you mean by isomers? Like they have same formula. Like if you see their formula, the formula is C4H2 3 4 5 6 7 3 4 5 6 7 8 C4H8. Here also the formula is C4H8. The formula is same, but the structure is different. So these are known as isomers. So what is the definition of isomers? Same formula, but different structures.
Okay. Hello?
Yeah, we call them
Yeah.
as isomers. Any doubt?
Nah, that makes sense. So you
Okay.
call it butene
Yeah,
because the double bond starts on the second carbon. So
correct.
but you call it but 1-ene when it starts on the first one. All right. That
Yeah,
makes sense.
yeah.
But say for example you got like propene,
Hmm.
then would it still be the same as well? But it would just have 5 instead of 4.
I'll tell you for propene. See, let us take the case of propene now. So the structure possible is this. Now, okay, now I have, this is known as the display formula, not the condensed one. So this is the first structure. The second structure could be this one, correct?
Yeah, because they all still have 4 bonds. That's fine.
Now, if I number this, so that would be 1, 2, and 3, correct?
Hmm?
1, 2,
Yeah.
and 3. Now, if you see, I can number it from the other way also. How
Okay.
I can start the numbering like the way I have started the numbering. I have started the numbering from left hand side. Here
Yeah.
also, if I number it from left hand side, now the double bond is getting second position. Like what if I
Yeah.
reverse the numbering and I start the numbering from right hand side? like 1, 2, and 3.
Oh.
So we have a rule, what the rule says, that your substitution should get the lowest number. Now, what is the substitution here? The substitution is double bond. So double bond is a substitution and it should get the lowest number. So you should start the numbering in that way so that your double bond, your triple bond, or any other substitution like halogen should get the lowest number.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, I will repeat what the rule says, that the rule says the substitution should get the lowest number. So you have to
Yeah.
start the numbering in that way so that your substitution is getting lowest number. So either it is from left hand side or it is from right hand side. So in the
Okay.
case of here, in this case, this numbering is correct. 1, 2, and 3. This numbering is correct and this numbering is wrong because
Oh.
according to this numbering, the substitution is getting the second position, second carbon. But according to the red one numbering, according to this numbering, the substitution is getting first number, so which is correct. Okay.
Yeah.
So doesn't matter. It hardly matters. So they both have same structure. So they are not isomers.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you getting it or should I repeat it?
Okay. So for this one, it would just be prop-2-ene for both of them.
No, propene, just propene. So you can write it as prop-1-ene
Right.
or one. It's your wish. If you want to write one, you can write one. Otherwise, it's fine. Like without one also, it's fine.
Hold on. Wait, don't get it though. So for so for the first one, prop-1-ene, but for the second one, prop-2-ene.
No, I told you now. For the second one, this numbering is wrong because the substitution is, if you write it prop-2-ene,
Hmm?
this substitution is getting second position, correct?
Yeah.
So the rule says that substitution should get the lowest number. So I
Oh,
will,
so you only take the top one.
yeah,
So if you get asked in an exam, you would only write the top one.
correct.
Ah, that makes sense. Fine.
Should I erase it?
Hmm.
Okay.